still feeling unworthy despite of having all your success. Here is why. Because from your very childhood days, maybe you were too much criticized, too much judged. That is why silently your subconscious self have developed a pattern to believe I am not enough, I am not so worthy. That is why you have the tendency to always prove yourself. So it is the only reason, in spite of having all your success, still you are thinking, may I deserve all this? May I actually originally worthy? Yes. So the only solution is stop chasing, stop proving yourself you are worthy. So accept yourself as the way you are and just feel the happiness for your existence.